Time for the maiden of this beautiful big beast. It's the 2-metre version of the Volantex Ranger. I think this is going to be an awesome flyer. We've got maybe 10 knots of wind, not too much at all for this plane, won't worry it at all. Let's go for it. Beautiful. Just need to trim it a little bit. It's rolling a bit to the right, a bit to the left, sorry. Let's bring it around a bit first. That's a bit better. Bit nose down. That's good. Nicely trimmed now. I've got flaps on, I'll have to test them. Let's just fly a little bit first. It's gliding and it's just lovely. We've got about 10 knots of wind, a bit of heat, so a bit of thermal activity probably. It's still gliding. Oh, this is great. Plenty of power with 4S and the 1100 kV motor, 2836. All the power in the world. Dipped down a bit there under power, it's something you have to be aware of, I guess. Just not powered up right near the ground maybe. Oh, let's try the stall. Bring it around. Problem with the Raptor 2-metre version, it had a nasty little tip stall. Okay, throttling back, there's the stall and it just dips down a bit. There's no dramas at all. I probably shouldn't do that so close to the ground. Let's take it up a bit higher. Alright, throttling back, elevator up. Here's the stall. Well, it's just flying around now. It just goes nose down and picks up lift again. Doesn't drop a tip at all. Very nice indeed. Let's try the flaps. I'll have to get back a bit so I can bring it in. Oh, it's going to just keep gliding. Alright. Flaps on. Oh, that's good. It goes up a little bit. I've got about, oh, beautiful. Oh, nice. They work well. I've got the flaps going down as far as I can, probably 70 degrees almost, I suppose. I haven't got crow braking. I haven't got the ailerons going up at all. Don't really need it, I don't think. Beautiful plane, just as I thought. Flies like a dream. Nice and solid. Stiff wings, excellent. Let's go again. Bit of adverse yaw maybe. Probably need a little bit of rudder mixing or just using the rudder. That's a rudder turn with opposite ailerons, nice and flat, nice and controlled. And the other way. Gorgeous. Oh, I love that sound. So controllable, so smooth. No bad habits, even with this gusty wind. It's downwind. Coming upwind now, and there's no way I'm going to land it there. It's too high and too fast. Chuck the flaps on, slows it down. There's some wind. Alright, I'll bring it into land. Wash off some speed. Flaps on. Oh, landed short of me. That was great. Awesome plane, no bad habits at all. Absolutely love it. Highly recommended for just a motor cruiser, a glider. It would Be a brilliant slope soarer. I'll show you that soon, I'm sure. You could even thermal this plane in the right conditions. Awesome plane, just works beautifully. Just as good as the 1600, even more glidey. Just can't fault it. Perfect plane. This is the Volantex Ranger 2000 from Banggood. Brilliant plane, very highly recommended. Hello. Woohoo!